Morning, sir. I am Jimboy Laura, your student from CRIM 102P, Module 1. Welcome to the origin of development of criminology. As you all know, the criminology is a course of discipline. Students are able to internalize what as the model of their other courses. Further, this provides a basic understanding of theory, development of application, and etiology of crimes. So, criminology good is a course of discipline and aims to study crimes and criminals. Criminology bears from Latin root word crimen, which means offense, and logos or logia, which means study. It is a body of knowledge regarding crime as social phenomenon. It includes within three scopes: the making of laws, the breaking of laws, and the reaction towards the breaking of laws. By Edwin Sutherland and Donald Creasy in 1934. It was introduced by Raffaele Garofalo in 1885, which Italian is criminologia. It was introduced by Paul Topinard in 1887, which in French is criminology. Criminology is a scientific study of the non-legal aspects of crimes and delinquency, include its cause, correction, and prevention. From the viewpoint of such as diverse disciplines as anthropology, biology, psychology, and psychiatry, economics, sociology, and statistics. It is a multidisciplinary field in both of behavioral and social science, which draws primarily upon the research of sociologists, political scientists, economists, legal sociologists, psychologists, philosophers, psychiatrists, social workers, biologists, social anthropologists, scholars of law, and jurisprudence. As well as the process that define administration of justice and criminal justice system. The four principal division of criminology: sociology of law, which is an attempt at scientific analysis of the conditions under the criminal law influenced by society. So, society. More on sa society. Like, criminal etiology, which is an attempt of scientific analysis of study of cause and reason for the crime. Penology, considered with control of crimes by repressing criminal activities through the fear of punishment. Criminalistics concerns with the collection of identification and recognition of physical evidence at the crime scene. Cesar Lombroso, father of criminology or the father of modern criminology. Also the founder of criminal anthropology. He studies the remains of individuals has been convicted from crimes. His theory of born criminal states that criminals are lower than the lower form of life, near to the ancestors than non-criminal in terms of this disposition. They are distinguishable from non-criminal by various atavistic physical features of creatures an earlier stage of development. Rafael Garofalo, an Italian nobleman, senator, and professor of law, who rejected the classical principles that punish should fit the crime, arguing instead that it should fit the criminal. He traced the roots of criminals' behaviors, which is not in physical features but their psychological equivalent, which is called moral anomalies. Enrico Ferri, Lombroso's best associated attacked the social doctrine on free will and argued that criminals should not be held morally responsible for their crimes because they did not choose to commit crimes, rather were driven to commit crimes due to economic, social, and political factors or moral responsibility. So, sa ako lang nakunan sa module 1 is kuan ang course of criminology is the body of knowledge regarding to crimes and criminals, and this one of, and there are four principal division of criminology: the sociology of law, criminal theology, penology, and criminalistics. So kaning sociology of law is kani siya regarding sa society, like kanang ma-adapt sa isa ka tawo makomit og crime tungod sa society. Og kaning criminal theology mo siya ang responsible sa pag search sa cause o reason sa crime. Ang penology is mo siya ang mga kaysa punishment regarding sa pag-commit sa crime. Criminalistics mo siya ang sa pag-collect sa mga evidence sa crime scene. Module 2. Aims in study of criminology. Number 1. To understand crimes and criminals. Number 2. Prevent the occurrence of crimes. The scope of criminology. The making of law, the breaking of law, and the reaction towards the breaking of laws. Multidisciplinary study of criminology. Sociological criminology. This is a study of focus on groups, people, and society as a whole. Muna siya tong sociology of law. Like, focus sila sa group of people or like society. Psychological criminology. This is the science of behaviors and mental procedures of a criminal. So, kani siya muna siyang mag-observe sa criminal sa iyang behaviors o sa iyang mental processes of the criminal. Psychiatric criminology. This is a science that deals with the study of criminal behaviors, of motives and drives, o mga hinungdan. Ano siya? Significance of studying criminology. The most significant aspect of criminology is its concern for crimes and criminals. It presupposes the study of criminals with the basic assumption that no one is born a criminal. It treats information to ultimate object of punishment while individualization is the method of it. Most criminologists and penologists generally agree that every criminal is corrigible of offered adequate opportunities through treatment methods. As Donald Duff Wright put it, the study of criminology also offers a background of the profession and an opportunity for social workers. Criminology also seeks to create conditions conducive to social solidarity such as it tries to point out the behaviors and ambiguous and antisocial. The reformative treatment offered the first offenders. Further, to be noted that with the evidence of scientific knowledge and technology, the complexities of life have also considerable multi that this has led to an numerous increase of the crime rate by many new crimes with intero altogether unknown. It is important for lawyers with dealing with criminal clients and helps to understand their mindset and particular circumstance for purpose of giving proper legal advice as well as the pursuing a legal line of defense. It enhances official understanding of criminals, offenders, and types of prevalence of offenses committed generally or specifically by a class of people or in a certain location. The ultimate objective of criminology is to render crimeless society. So, nakuha na ako sa module 2, sir. Kani ang aims study of criminology to understand crimes and criminals and to prevent the occurrence of crimes. Kanilang scope is morning na sa ngayon na sa module 1. Ang significance of study criminology good is aspect of criminology is to concern the crimes and criminals. Module 3. Lesson 3. The development and process of making scientific theories. According to Frida Adler, theory is a statement that explains the relationship between abstract concepts in a meaningful way. For example, if scientists observe that criminality rates are usually high in neighborhoods with high unemployed rates. They might theories that environmental conditions influence criminal behaviors. A scientific theory is an explanation of an aspect of the natural world and universe that can be tested, repeatedly tested, and in accordance of scientific method using accepted protocols of observation, measurement, and evaluation of the result. So, activity. So, kaning sa module 3 is more on scientific theory is an like scientific theory. An explanation of an aspect of the natural world and universe that can be repeatedly tested and able to accordance with the scientific method using accepted protocols and observation, measurement, evaluation of the result. So, module 4. Module 4. If you fail to prepare, be prepared to fail. Lesson 5. Summative assessment. School of Thoughts in Criminology posted by Brenis. Classical School. The classical school developed during the Enlightenment in response of excessive and cruel punishment to crime. Cesar Beccaria argued for more humanitarian form of punishment and against physical punishment and the death penalty. He believed that punishment should fit the crime and not be excessive. A primary premise of the classical school was the fundamental equality of all people, which meant that every person should be treated equally under the law. Criminal behaviors would be subject to similar punishment, and people had to know that categories of conduct were punishable. Punishable conduct would only be that which an in of someone else's freedom in violation of the social contract. Rafael Garofalo was one of the three main prophets of positive school of criminology. He emphasized that lack of degenerates crimes against person while lack of probity leads to crime against property. He placed criminal mainly into four categories: namely murderers, violent criminals who are affected by environmental influence such as prejudice of honor, political and religion, criminal lack, lacking in systemic of poverty, and 4. Lascivious of lascivious or lustful criminals who commit crimes against sex and charity. So module 4 is module 5 is other. So sa classical school is si Cesar Baccaria is an idol. Sa classical school is developed during sa Enlightenment in response excessive and cruel punishment of crimes. Kay siya ni-argue si Cesar Baccaria tungod kay anang mga like for example death penalty or kanang mga punishment na kanang halos dili na kaya sa katao ug dili pod mo fit sa iyang nabuhat nga crime. So module 6 different school of thoughts in criminology. So concept of law, crimes and criminal justice. Crime is an act or commission punishable by law forbidding or commanding it, based on the theory of logomorphy that there is no crime if there is no law punishing such an act. That is why it's very important for us to defend why law is all about. So law is defined as the rule of conduct just made obligatory to legitimate authority for the general welfare and benefit of all people. Source of Philippine criminal law. The revised penal code number 3815 and its amendments. Special penal law passed by Philippine Commission, Philippine Assembly, Philippine Legislature, National Assembly, and the Congress of the Philippines and the Batasang Pambansa. Penal presidential decrees issued during martial law. Concept of criminal justice. Criminal justice is providing justice to criminals. It also focuses on the rehabilitation of the criminals, providing moral support of the victims and prevention of other crimes. The system of criminal justice includes primary institutions like law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, and community. So, na-10 ka fundamental concepts regarding law and crimes. Number 1. Every society is based on the question of someone of its member by other. Number 2. Law is a function of political power. It is used by more powerful to maintain control even the less powerful. The more threatened are ruling group feels, the more rigorously it, it tends to enforce the law. Law are the number 3. Law are the codification of ruling class interest. Laws because legitimate because the ruling class has the power to ensure adherence of their law. People who are socio-economically close to the power groups tend to develop normal behavior systems that are similar to members of the power group. Number 6. Criminal is not an inherent quality of any act. All behaviors, patterns have the potential to be defined as criminal. Criminality is merely a label given to certain behaviors by the ruling authorities. Number 7. The ability to confer criminal status is a privilege enjoyed by the powerful classes to the board determined of the less powerful. Criminal behavior is simply behavior that threatens the interests of the powerful. 8. Law and definition of crimes may be modified from time to time, but never to be the existing political and economic relationship are jeopardized. Number 9. The rights and freedom that law confer are granted and vary as fashion. The rights and freedoms are allegedly protected by law are only protected for those who can afford it. Number 10. Rather than being an independent arbiters of conflict, that state is in fact that price which different groups compete in order to gain control. Number 6. So, this is number 7. And 7. The existence of crimes. So, existence of crimes. Number 7. Crime. The intentional commission of an act usually deemed socially harmful or dangerous and specially defined, prohibited and punishable under the criminal law. So, nagikawin nila rin nga. It is refers to an act or omission in violation of public law forbidding the committed it crimes may be offense when is punishable by special law. Violation of the special law are generally referred to as malum prohibitum. However, not that not all violations of special law are mala prohibita, while intentional felonies are always mala in se. It does not follow that prohibited act done in violation of special law are the always mala prohibita, even the crime is punished under the special law. If the act punished in one is in one which is inherently wrong, the same of malum is C and C, and therefore good faith and the lack of criminal intent intent is a valid defense unless it is the product of criminal negligence of culpa for or culpa. For example, Presidential Decree number 532 punish the Philippines water and the special law punish breach of the highways is an act of inherently wrong and the special law and although they are punished under special law or the act themselves are the mala and C, those good faith or lack of criminal intent is an defense. Felony, when it punishable by the revised penal code, violation of the revised penal code are referred to as malum and C, which literally means that the act of inherently evil or bad or per se wrongful. Misdemeanor when violators are ordinance. So, natay kon ka 10 ka approaches in the study of the existence of crimes. The biological, psychiatric, psychological, sociological, geographical, demographical, epidemiological, ecological, economic, o victimology. So, kaning biological is like kung isa like pareha sa isa ka family. For example, Kalikak family. All descent stands as 20 causers, 60 thieves, and 7 murderers or other criminals, 40 with virally diseased, 50 prostitutes. So, kini murag like ang biological is like commit crime tungod kay sa imong kaliwat or sa imong mga kadugo, like pareha like mga criminals, like napoy may chance or kuan nga possible nga mahimo og kang criminal. Psychiatric, so psychiatric is pareha sa study sa human behaviors or sa ilang mental conditions. Psychological, it believes that crime is caused by behavioral disorders. So, it was been as a well-known social psychological principle that situation that diminish consciousness and self-awareness lead to individual to being less restricted, less self-regulated, and more likely to act without considering the consequences of their actions. Sociological. So, kanang sociological is paano siya ganun sa module 1? Focus siya sa group of people or society. So, this is geographical. It believes that location of a person triggers criminal behaviors. Nagyan po possible nga. So, siya nga location of a person triggers the criminal behaviors. So, kanang mga lugar nga nga ma-trigger gid ang iyang criminal behaviors. Demographical. So, kani siya, for example, na kay amigo na magaway og hait, like makaingon ka nga ay ikon kay basig madimunyuhan ko, like mo ni siya makakomit na uban makakomit og crime tungod kay nakadala sila sa demon or evil. Sa epidemiological, it believes that crime is transmitted within the population. So, that people may also commit crimes that are perpetrated by the people among the population. So, ini pare-pareho sa sociological. Commit ni siya crime tungod sa kanang mga environment or sa environmental factors sa ilang palibot. Ecological studies criminal relation to competition, social discrimination, division of labor, or social conflict, and interaction of people in their environment. So kani ang uban pagka-commit og tungod kay discriminate o ginabuli, mo ni siya ang sa ecological. Ngayon, economic explains about the relationships of criminality based on the distribution of wealth or resource of community. That's about it. So, kani example, commit ng isa katawag crimes tungod kay kanang pobre o need sila kwarta, so maka-commit sila like mang snatch cellphone or bags or mga kwarta. Victimology studies the role of the victim in the crime. It explains how people are being victimized. For example, a house was robbed because of the absence of somebody who will look for it. So, Rihanna, like, example lang niya is kakawatan ng isa kabalay tungod kay absence ang mga gabantay o na isa ka kuan nga gabantay anak niya ni absence siya. So mo to nakakuha ng criminals nga mangawat ato nga balay. That's all, sir. Thank you.